Guys, long time no see. I've been busy. I have 2 kids now, so that's why I don't really have much time to make any videos anymore. But I'm slowly getting back into it. The older that they get, they give me more free time. So today I am dyeing my hair with this SPLAT Lusty Lavender hair color. So I thought I'd make a video on that because I've done a couple before that were like red hair dye like years ago. So I figured I'll do one today. So I'm probably just going to fast forward through like this whole thing, speed it up so it goes by really quick. My hair right now, my hair's really curly, so brushed out. It is a hot mess. But this is my hair now, if you can see. I bleached it before and I had some blue in it, so now it's kind of like a gross, like mossy green color now that it's faded out. So it's been pre-bleached months ago, and then I have some like box dye blue in there. I have a whole rainbow in here. So we'll see how I do with this SPLAT color. So I'm just brushing my hair out, and then I'm going to get started just following the directions in the box for the bleach. Okay, so I've got the bleach all mixed up in the little bottle. I'm just pouring mine into like a bowl and using one of these brushes I have left over from bleaching before. So I'm just going to do my entire head, but I'm keeping about maybe a 1/4 inch away from the roots because my roots are like virgin and the rest of my hair is horribly dyed, so that will give me like super light roots and I hate that. So I'm just going to start a bit away from the roots and go down over my whole head. This bleach is super liquidy. And for the bottoms, I'll just glob it all over. Okay, so I'm just going to start doing the rest of my hair in the exact same way, just staying a bit away from the roots and covering the rest. Okay, so now that I'm on the top layer, I'm kind of doing like that V shape that you see those professional people do, which is clearly not me. Professionals don't use SPLAT hair dye. But yeah, just like a V, so the outer sides, and then meet it together. And then once I'm done all those, I'll saturate the ends with the rest of the stuff. Just thought it was important to show how to do the top. There's another strand. Just to give it a nicer blend than the bottoms. I'm hoping that it will work. Okay, so now I'm going to finish the rest of my hair and I will show you what it looks like when it's all bleached. Hey guys, so it's the next morning because it was done pretty late last night. So this is my hair after washing out all the bleach. Yeah, I look awful. It's like super early, 6 in the morning. But obviously I can't go out today with my hair like this. But I am really impressed with the amount of lift in that bleach. Of all the times bleaching my hair, this is the first time that it's actually gotten this light with just one bleach. Usually it would take me maybe like 2 or 3 times bleaching just to get to this sort of color. So it's really brassy and yellowy and all that stuff. But luckily for me, I'm using purple today, so I'm not going to bother toning because it should be somewhat okay with purple. If I was doing like blue or anything, I would have to tone it, otherwise it would turn out green. But yeah, it's like that bleach worked really amazing for my hair. My hair's naturally really dark. I've box dyed it black like a bazillion times. Like, I'm really surprised that it lifted to this level. So now I'm just gonna put the dye in over my whole head. I've already done like a lotion barrier around my forehead. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use gloves and just apply this over my whole head, let it sit, and then I can show you guys what my hair looks like when it's done. Okay, so I've got my whole head saturated with the dye. There was just barely enough in that bottle to cover my whole head, so if you have long hair, you're gonna need more than one box for sure. It's soaked in really good, but this is definitely the worst staining that I've ever seen from one of these dyes. Like, I use Manic Panic and stuff a lot, and when it goes on your skin, you can wipe it off if you get to it fast enough before it stains. This stains immediately when it touches your skin. Like, my poor ear, I have scrubbed and scrubbed with soap and everything, and I cannot get the purple off of that. This one luckily got pretty clean, but yeah, ugh. Just hoping when I have a shower that I can get this off my skin. Yeah, so definitely use good care when you're applying it to your hair, not to get it on your skin. Like, my hands are like tinged pink. Any little spot where it touched on my arm has like a purple spot. This is definitely super staining, but hopefully that means that it will stay in my hair for a while. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have a shower once this is sat in there for a while, and then style my hair, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Right, so I finished dyeing my hair. It's dried. I've got a bit of styling product in it, like curly stuff. Cantu Curl Activator and Cantu Define and Shine Custard. So just a curl activator and some gel, and then I diffused it to dry. So yeah, this is the color. I would say that the color is definitely warmer than what's like shown on the box. Not by judging by my hair, because that would be unfair. I didn't tone my hair, and my hair was quite brassy underneath. But just judging by the stains that are all over my hands and my entire bathroom, the color is definitely warmer than it appears on here. It's definitely warmer in my hair because my hair was so brassy underneath that it's more of a raspberry color. But I mean, like, I'm okay with it. I really like the color, and I think it will fade out pretty nice when I'm ready to do another color after. I've got pink from Manic Panic, so this should transition nicely into that. Yeah, so I would say this is definitely great bleach. The dye is really good, but very staining. Like, I'm going to be wearing black t-shirts, and my pillow is just going to be wrapped after this. It stained my hands, my ears, everywhere. I could not get it off. Even my bathtub is stained a little bit from this, so that's definitely a negative on it. But I mean, hopefully that is worth it, because that might mean that the color will stay in a lot longer than other brands. Yeah, but that's it. I'm pretty happy with it. Definitely the bleach. I'm very happy with the bleach, how light it got my hair and how well the color took to that after. Yeah. So I would definitely give it a shot if you're into like home box dyeing stuff. Please don't comment on my videos saying how this is not how professionals do it, because professional people don't dye their hair with SPLAT. Yeah, this is just my like home DIY to coloring my hair, which I do like every couple months. I usually do some crazy colors. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you think.